So first we'll start off with the Siesta full face mask. This is from React Health. Let's go ahead and open it up and take a look at it. So when I open the package here, just pull that little pull tab open. Then when you open your mask, tear this open, and your mask is going to come just like this. We're going to remove this orange piece here. Just pinch this right here. Or you can just pinch these ends to remove it from that there, and then your mask is going to come just like this. So this is a traditional full face mask. Oh, it also comes with a rubber band right here on the end, so you're going to pull that off. This is your traditional full face mask over the nose, over the bridge of the nose, and covers the mouth. It's got these hooks right here. All you got to do is grab it here, push forward, and then it comes right off. Same thing we're going to do with this side. Grab it, push forward, comes right off. So the best way to put this mask on, the way I advise everybody to put it on, is you kind of want to just grab it like this from the headgear. Grab it from these ends here, just like this. And then how you want to put it on now is you want to kind of just rest it on your face, kind of push this back here, and then you have these two straps here, the headgear laying on both sides, your left and your right. So what you want to do is grab your hook, and then you're going to hook it onto here. You might need some help, depending on if you need help or not, especially if your fingers are real sensitive. You might want some help with that. Practice in the mirror. I always advise to practice in the mirror to do it. If you can't do it the first time, practice in the mirror to get it done correctly, especially if you're a first time user doing these. Grab your neck strap here, and then we're gonna hook this on to this one, and then you're gonna pull back, and it's gonna hook on. So pull back, hook, and it's gonna hook on. So when you have your mask like this, just rest it on your face, just like that. And then what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna grab my straps from here. I'm gonna pull them out. Oop. We're gonna loosen them from here, pull them out, and then I'm gonna tighten these bottom ones first, like that. And then I'm gonna grab the tops from here, and then I'm gonna tighten these up. Now you should be able to put 3 fingers in your straps here, just like that. It should be able to fit comfortably, and you should be able to have plenty of room, not to leave any marks on your face or anything like that. To take the mask off, what you want to do is grab it from here, hold it with this hand here, and you're going to push forward, just like that. Same thing we're going to do with the next one. Push forward, and then you can take your mask off. So once you have the straps on in position to where you're gonna where you have your mask comfortable, I always advise to never ever try as best as you can to not keep readjusting the straps, because the first thing to go that's going to lose uh, its stickiness really is the Velcros. Just the constant pulling off and on is going to go. So I always advise my patients to never to try to limit the readjusting. Once you have it adjusted the right way, I understand you have to adjust it sometimes throughout the night and some days, but for the most part, um, you should be able to keep the same fit on your mask if you wear it properly and have it set correctly. You should be able to not have to adjust it so much. For some reason, whenever I do it that way, it just fits better. When patients have adjusted the top straps first and then the bottoms, for whatever reason, it doesn't go on right. It doesn't fit correctly. So always do the bottoms first, and then you're going to do the tops. This has a little thing here where it indents here for your nose. So the top really doesn't have to be on super tight, just snug. The bottom probably has to be a little snugger than the top, but for the most part, this will adjust to your nose, and it has some give there to go for the bridge of the nose, so it's not so harsh there. But in order to change out this piece, which is called the cushion, um, if you for whatever reason need a smaller one or just switching it out because it's time to just switch it out and this is getting old, all you gotta do is hold the frame. This is called the frame, and then the headgear. Hold the frame. You're just gonna grab it and then pull it off. That's just how you do it. Pretty simple. To put another cushion on, all you gotta do is hold it like this, and then you got your circle here that's kind of gonna grab this part, and then all you're gonna do is grab it, put it on, and then it should click into place. All these masks do have quick releases on them. So if you need to get up to go to the restroom, you don't want to take your mask off, or if you need to get up and do something, you don't want to take your mask off. This will pull off with the tubing if you choose to do it that way instead of taking your mask off in the middle of the night. So quick release, and then you can hear it click right back on. So that is the Siesta full face mask.